This video goes over question 19, the last question of Antiderivatives 2. The rate of growth of the population in a T of a new city T years after its incorporation is estimated to be dn dt equals. They give us a restricted domain, but that's not really going to be a problem. If the population was 9,000 at the time of incorporation, find the population 4 years later. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides by dt. So I get dn equals 600 plus 900. And I'm going to change that square root of t to the 1/2 power, then dt. I'm going to integrate or antiderive both sides. So I get n as a function of t equals 600t plus 900. And I'm going to use the power rule for antiderivatives. Add 1 to 1/2 or add 2 halves, so I get t to the 3 halves divided by 3 halves plus c. I'm going to simplify that a little bit. 600t plus 900 over 1. To divide with a fraction, I multiply by its reciprocal, then times t to the 3 halves plus c. 900 divided by 3 is 300. So we get n at t equals 600. T, 300 times 2 is 600 times t to the 3 halves plus c. Now we need to evaluate for the constant of integration c. N at time 0, the time of incorporation, is 600 times 0 plus 600 times 0 to the 3 halves plus c. Both of these are going to be 0, so I get c equals, and it had to equal 9,000, so c equals 9,000. So our function n at t is going to be 600t plus 600 t to the 3 halves plus 9,000. And we're going to evaluate this at t equals 4. So n at 4 equals 600 times 4 plus 600 times 4 to the 3 halves power plus 9,000. And this 1/2 here in this fraction, that's the square root. So this is going to be 2 to the 3rd power. So we're going to get 2,400. And then 2 to the 3rd is 8. So this is 600 times 8, or 4,800, plus 9,000. So our final answer is going to be 2,400 plus 4,800 plus 9,000. 0, 0, that's a 12. We carry the 1, 3, 7, so 16,200. Now, could we do this in the calculator? Absolutely. And I'm not going to go through the whole antiderivative, but I'm going to enter this function in the calculator page as a function. So I'm going to go to in parentheses t, get out of the parenthesis, control palatommath, and above palatommath is a blue colon equals. That means is defined as 600t plus 600 t to the power of fraction 3 halves, get out of the exponent, plus 9,000. Hit enter and it says done. So I do have a n at t function, and then if I put in 4 years, I get 16,200. So by hand, we got the same thing, so we're pretty sure that's right. We'll check the answer. Good job. That concludes this video.